This is the new Kazoo I got. You open the box and you see the instruction and the service card with 2 years of free maintenance and lifetime consultation service. And here it is. This is the Kazoo. This is the lanyard you can attach to it. These are the replaceable membranes for this. Okay, let's get it out. Here we go. It has a metal body, which is already better than the plastic ones, I believe, and it must affect the sound. We'll check the sound in a moment. It has 2 heads, this one and this one, so the tone is supposed to be different when you blow in different holes. And here is the place where you put your replaceable membrane if you want to replace it, but I believe they will last long, really long. Okay, now let's check the sound. First, I will blow here this long end. You're not supposed to be just blowing, right? You need to make some sound with your throat and it will resonate through this kazoo. So, what is the difference if I change the end? So the tone is different. When you use this end, the shorter one, it's higher, and with the long one, it's lower. It's extremely easy to learn how to use it, and you can mix it with different instruments, guitars, ukuleles, whatever actually you want. And it's easy to carry with you because it's portable, it's lightweight, and you can attach the lanyard here. If you ever wanted to have your own kazoo, I think this is a sign for you.